Hello everyone, my name is Emilee McWilliams and welcome to my course, Customizing R Environments. I'm a data scientist in the financial industry, and I've seen a variety of data analysis projects. And many times in data, there are several tools available for use, including Excel and SAS, but it's not always clear which one is the best to use. In this course, we are going to understand R environments, learn the framework of R, and create and customize an R environment. Some of the major topics that we will cover include learning how R environments work, create a new environment, find how packages are imported, discover how packages can provide powerful functions and values for data analysis. By the end of this course, you'll know what differentiates R from other statistical and data tools. Some prior knowledge of functions will be helpful. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn R with the Customizing R Environments course at Pluralsight.